Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this fireside chat on supply chain optimization in the manufacturing industry. I'm delighted to be your host, and we have a special guest with us today. Please join me in welcoming Soni Nizam, a senior advisor and venture builder with extensive expertise in the field of supply chain management and optimization. Soni has worked with numerous organizations, helping them navigate the complexities of supply chain optimization and leverage advanced technology to drive efficiency, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. Today, we have the opportunity to dive deep into the strategies and technologies that can make a significant impact on supply chain management within the manufacturing industry. In this fireside chat, we'll explore the ways in which manufacturers can optimize their supply chains, from demand-driven planning to collaborative partnerships, and the role of advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and RPA. Soni will share real-world examples of success stories, challenges, and the benefits of supply chain optimization. So, without further ado, let's get started and gain valuable insights from Soni Nizam on how manufacturers can harness the power of supply chain optimization to stay ahead in the competitive landscape of the manufacturing industry. Please welcome Soni Nizam. Thank you, Soni. It's great to have you here, sir. And I will go straight to a question so that we can get started. Soni, when it comes to optimizing supply chain management in the manufacturing, what are some strategies that can really make a difference?
Absolutely, Shankar. Let's talk about a couple of the game-changing strategies that manufacturers can adopt. Firstly, implementing demand-driven planning can be a game changer. For instance, Coca-Cola have embraced this approach, and as a result, they have improved their supply chain efficiency by optimizing production and distribution processes based on real-time demand data. It's helped them to reduce the stock out and ensure timely delivery. So another strategy is you have to building the collaborative partnerships. We take Walmart for the examples. They have joined forces with their supplier through initiative like vendor managed inventory, like a VMI, where supplier have direct access to Walmart inventory data and manage replenish based on real-time demand signals. This collaboration optimize inventory level, cut costs, and boost overall supply chain performance.
Soni, that's really interesting to know. Such big groups have already established themselves using such advanced technologies, integrating into the supply chain. So I will go straight to a second question.
Okay.
And would like you to share an example of real success story in supply chain optimization within the manufacturing industry.
So absolutely, Shankar. One of the most notable success stories is Dell. They revolutionized the computer manufacturing industry by adopting a build-to-order strategy. By selling directly to customer and managing their supply chain in real time, Dell minimized inventory costs and could respond swiftly to customer demands. The result? Substantial cost saving and high customer satisfaction. Another stellar example is a Toyota production system, which is they call it as a TPS. They implemented the lean principles and just-in-time inventory management, significantly reducing the waste, enhancing the production efficiency, and ensuring the top quality product. Toyota's approach to supply chain optimization has become a benchmark for lean manufacturing practices worldwide. Thank you, Shankar.
Very interesting, Soni. How do advanced technologies contribute to supply chain optimization and manufacturing?
So the advanced technology play a pivotal role in optimizing supply chains. Let's look a few examples like IoT, the Internet of Things, have been a game changer. GE, General Electric, harness IoT to monitor equipment performance and predict the maintenance needs. This optimization reduces equipment downtime. It also enhances supply chain efficiency and boosts overall productivity. The AI, the artificial intelligence, is another game-changing technology. Like Nestle, for instance, uses the AI algorithm to forecast demand accurately. By doing so, they optimize production planning and inventory management, resulting in optimized stock level, they minimize the waste, and improve customer satisfaction. We can't forget about the RPA, the robotic process automation either. Like Amazon utilized the robot in its fulfillment centers, automating warehousing and other fulfillment processes. The result is increased speed and accuracy, reducing the errors, streamlining the operation, and improving supply chain performance. Yes, thank you, Shankar.
Sony, what are some of the challenges that manufacturers may encounter when optimizing their supply chains?
Oh, great question, Shankar. Optimizing the supply chain comes with its fair share of challenges. One common hurdle that is data management. Many companies struggle with a data quality, integration, and accessibility. Disparate system and manual processes can hinder data synchronizations, making it difficult to gain a comprehensive view of the supply chain. The robust data management practices and advanced analytics can help overcome these challenges. Another challenge is change management. Shifting to optimized supply chain practices requires organization changes, and it can face resistance from the employees and stakeholders. It's very essential to address change management challenge through the effective communication, trainings, and involving key stakeholders to ensure smooth implementations.
Okay, great insights. Sony, in the end, how do supply chain optimization efforts benefit manufacturers and their customers?
Great question, Shankar. The supply chain optimization offers a host of the benefit. Firstly, it improves efficiency by streamlining the processes, reducing the lead times, and minimizing waste. Manufacturers achieve higher operational efficiency, resulting in cost saving and improved profitability. Secondly, optimized supply chain lead to enhanced customer service. The faster order fulfillment, accurate delivery, and improved product availability result in better customer satisfaction, loyalty, and also the retention. Lastly, about the supply chain optimized provide increase the agility. Manufacturers can respond quickly to market changes, demand fluctuation, and unforeseen disruptions. This agility helps companies stay competitive, adapt the customer need, and seize new business opportunity. So, supply chain optimization is not only benefit to manufacturers, but also create the positive ripples effect for the customers. It's also fostering the growth and success in the manufacturing industry.